You know, most people check a car's accident history before they buy it.
Sure, but not as many people look up a home's flood risk before moving in.
With the deadly flooding in Texas still fresh on our minds, we went directly to those here in Nashville who know the properties that are most at risk.
Here's News Channel 5's Hannah McDonald. She's explaining an effort to reduce the risk of those living in harm's way.
England Park on Delray Drive has a story to tell for those who take the time to listen. Situated in West Nashville beside Richland Creek, it opened in 2014 in memory of Martha and Andrew England, homeowners married nearly 60 years, who were victims of the historic May 2010 flood.
Water got over 7 feet high in this area, and 2 residents that lived just across the street, Mr. and Mrs. England, lost their lives in that flood.
Including the England's home, Sonia Allman of Metro Water Services says 36 houses on this street suffered such substantial losses they qualified for a buyout.
Here's the last letter I've got from Metropolitan Government.
Through FEMA's Hazard Mitigation Grant Program, property owners were able to walk away from their homes with the understanding the land would be turned into green space.
Anytime that we can have all of the homes along the street and make the entire area safe means not only are we preventing the homeowners from being at risk, but also our first responders.
In light of the deadly flooding in Texas, it's important for us to look at our own waterfronts. Homeowners are just not aware of flood risks and the programs that could keep them safe.
We have a lot of those areas around Nashville. When you look at our creeks, Mill Creek, 7 Mile Creek, Whites Creek, Browns Creek, Richland Creek, we've seen flooding on all of our major creeks. And it can happen very quickly.
To qualify, a home must be in a floodway, have either experienced repeated flood losses or suffered substantial damage in a single event.
We're trying to go back across the street and purchase additional homes.
Usually it's the city, not the homeowner, who gets the ball rolling because buyout funding isn't always available and often requires a match. Take the first round of buyouts after the May 2010 flood. FEMA covered 75% of the cost, while TEMA and Metro split the rest. For 81 homes, the total came to $9.4 million.
We have an extremely long list of homes in Nashville that we would like to purchase or that they would like to be included in a program, but especially as more and more events happen, such as Asheville, North Carolina, and Texas, FEMA funding becomes less available.
The moral of this story, Metro Water urges every homeowner to do their homework before they buy.
We look at school districts, we look at everything else, look at your flood risk as well.
With photojournalist Devin Crawford, I'm Hannah McDonald, News Channel 5.
402 Tennessee communities take part in FEMA's National Flood Insurance Program, making them eligible for buyout funds. If you want to check your flood risk, just enter your address on FEMA's flood map online. For example, here's a zoomed-in section of East Nashville. In the blue on the right, the highest risk. That's the Cumberland in the stripes, and the dirt-colored area, the Germantown area, a step down in risk.